So here we have the last part of the stone finish around the house and on the roof. Beautiful, beautiful finish. And it's got this huge heavy roller that compacts all the stones really well. Not many people have these. I'm just looking for a bag of stone. I don't see it. These are just bags of sand. Okay. Okay, look at that. Now you gotta get all the cement as much as you can. You gotta wipe it off the top so that there's just you can't get it all off. You gotta leave some. And that's when we come around with the hydrochloric acid and we wash it, and it comes out. All the residue cement just disappears. And then after a day, you gotta let it dry, and then we put a clear finish on it, which will bring out all the colors of the rock. Okay, beautiful job. And here he's just got to finish this to join that up to that. Maybe today, maybe not. Okay, here's the master right here. Here's the guy. Yeah, Suhay Mak Mak. Show. Okay.